Hi, my name is Anesa Harris, and this is my term project presentation for CT395. Hope you enjoy and also learn something. We were given the option to pick 3 additional tools. Of the 3 additional tools, the 3 are John the Ripper, Malwarebytes, and NetStumbler. The one I chose to do my presentation on was NetStumbler. So sit back and relax and come on this journey with me of my ups and downs as I install NetStumbler and attempt to use it as well. This is the sectools.org page, which lists the top 125 network security tools. And as I circle, I'm doing NetStumbler, which is number 25 on the list. The question now is, what is NetStumbler? Well, NetStumbler is the best known Windows tool for finding open wireless access points, also known as war driving. And war driving is the practice of searching for wireless network signals in some type of geographic area. NetStumbler uses a more active approach to finding WAP/WAPs than passive sniffers such as Kismet or Kismac. Well, now that you know more about NetStumbler and where you can find more information, let's go try and download it. As anything, I just googled NetStumbler and this is what came up. The address, www.netstumbler.com, and that's where I will go to go and download the program. Once I get to the site, it tells you what it is and gives you all the different specs and protocols on the site. From here, I click the Downloads tab, and then I proceed to download NetStumbler version 0.4.0. I click the Execute, and I proceed and install it on my computer. Fairly easy and simple and straightforward installation. Just follow the prompts. And there you have it. Installation complete. From there, the NetStumbler help menu pops up and it gives you more information about the program. And you can just go through and it tells you everything. As you see, it has many uses. You can verify that your network is set up the way you intended. You can find locations with poor coverage in your WAN, detect other networks that might be causing interference with your network, detect unauthorized rogue access points in your workplace, help aim directional antennas for long-haul WAN links, and use it recreationally for war driving. On the screen, I'm just continuing to show you the different things that are in the help menu. These are frequently asked questions and some answers to help you get through the program, just in case you come across some stuff you don't understand. If you can't find any help, you can also try Googling it or YouTubing it as well. But this is a very useful menu right here. Okay, let's minimize that. And let's go and open NetStumbler. Here on the screen, I'm just showing you that NetStumbler is on my desktop. And we can proceed to open that. Okay, I'm running NetStumbler right now. And it's the main screen that you see. Okay, in order to get it working, you have to go into the device area and choose your card. And I have the Intel card checked, because that's the only supported one, and then you just hit the green button to start running the scan. As you can see, mine currently isn't working. I've been running into some technical difficulties trying to figure out why it's not working. But what I did find out, if you want to use the NetStumbler program, you must have a wireless adapter connected to your computer. And I thought I did, but it's not working. And as I said, all you have to do is click the device and then click the green button, which starts scanning. As you see at the bottom, it's saying access is denied. So I'm wondering if that's the reason why it's not running the scan, even though I pressed the green button, which I highlighted as well. And in this box area is where all the information should be shown. This is the way it should have went. You should have been able to click the device and then click the green button to run. And once you click the run, all the networks in your range will show. The networks with the padlock is the protected networks, and you must have a key for using that kind of network. The networks with the green circle are free networks, and you can use free internet, basically kind of like stealing from your neighbors. And then the networks with the gray circle is a sign that there is no connection to the network. But none of those things happen. And if they did, you would have been able to see the MAC addresses, the SSID, the names, the speed, the type, everything, all the columns that are listed, it would have given you the information for. Well, in conclusion, NetStumbler was supposed to be able to aid in cracking WEP and WPA wireless networks. The program seemed easy enough to install, but as far as running, I ran into trouble. Maybe somebody else wouldn't if they had the proper tools maybe my computer did not have. But had NetStumbler worked properly, it would have been good at cracking different wireless networks, or using for the reasons that I explained earlier in the presentation. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should secure your network and also some tactics to better secure your network to avoid getting hacked. Reasons you should secure your network are your network resources are exposed to unknown users. Also, your network traffic can be captured and examined. And last but not least, your internet connection can be used for illegal and immoral or objectionable activities. Some countermeasures that can be used to prevent unwanted people from using your connections are as follows. You can change the default settings on your router, like as soon as you open up the box, change the password right away. You can disable the SSID broadcast. You can also turn off your network when it's not in use. You can also use MAC address filtering, and then also implement encryption. If given a choice, the WPA is the best choice since it is the hardest encryption to crack rather than the web. And this concludes my video screen presentation of NetStumbler.